In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix chart not loading in Tradingview app. If you're a trader or someone who relies on Tradingview for charting and analysis, you know how frustrating it can be when the charts don't load properly. Whether it's a blank screen, endless loading, or missing data, these issues can disrupt your workflow. But don't worry, because in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the exact process to troubleshoot and resolve this problem so you can get back to your analysis without wasting time. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.tradingview.com. This ensures that you're accessing the official website, which is important to avoid confusion or any potential security risks. Once you're on the homepage, log into your Tradingview account if you're prompted to do so. Now, take a moment to refresh the page to see if the chart loads properly. Sometimes, a simple refresh is all that's needed to clear up minor glitches. However, if the chart still doesn't appear, don't worry, we've got more steps to try. Next, look for the Products option in the menu. This menu is typically located at the top of the page, but depending on your device, it might also appear in the sidebar. Select the Products option to ensure you're accessing the section of the website where all the charts and interactive tools are available. If the issue persists, we'll need to dive into your browser settings. Begin by clicking the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser to open the Settings menu. Once the drop-down menu appears, select More Tools. Hover over this option and a new list will expand. From here, click on Developer Tools. This is an advanced browser feature that lets you manage how websites load and troubleshoot any technical issues. In the Developer Tools interface, look for the Network tab at the top. Click on it to open the network settings. Now check the box that says Disable Cache. This step forces your browser to load fresh versions of all the site files instead of relying on stored or outdated ones. This is crucial, as cached files can sometimes cause certain elements of a website to malfunction. Once you've done that, you can close the Developer Tools window. Simply click the X in the corner of the panel, or press the F12 key on your keyboard to exit. Now reload the Tradingview website. This refresh will pull in the latest data and files directly from the server, bypassing any outdated versions that might have been causing the issue. After the page finishes reloading, check to see if the chart displays correctly. If it does, then great, you're all set. But if the chart still isn't loading, don't worry. As a final step, restart your browser entirely and repeat the process. This ensures that any lingering browser issues are fully cleared up. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your Tradingview charts back on track. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and explore all the powerful tools they offer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.